Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Benks Armor phone case for the iPhone 17 Pro. Of course, this is available for the iPhone 17 Pro Max as well as um, any of the iPhone 17 lineup. And I'm going to be doing these case videos and accessory videos over the next few days and few weeks, rather, leading up to the holidays. So if you're looking for a gift for somebody, make sure you stay tuned because I'll be having a bunch of these videos with little odds and ends and accessories for iPhones, charging accessories, cases, that kind of stuff. All where you can purchase them right on Amazon, so you can kind of see what you're getting, for the holidays. So Benks Armor Case right here is a carbon fiber style, really thin case. It has a nice camera cutout right here for the iPhone 17 Pro with the big camera plateau. It does protect it. Everything is recessed. The camera lenses are recessed down there a little bit, and it is a metal ring. And then right here we do have a metal power button. All the buttons all around are metal. You do have a nice little kind of indent right here on your action button, so you can you can tell the difference between the action button and your volume rockers right there. All that kind of stuff is metal. You can see the little red kind of accenting on there as well. And you have your cutouts down here for your speakers and your USB-C. Also, you have your camera control right here. It is not a pass-through, or it is not a cutout, rather, it is a pass-through button. So you do get the full control right here on the camera. As you can see, you have your swipe and all that kind of stuff right here. It works perfectly. You can swipe and control all your camera stuff right there very easily. You don't have to reach through the case or anything like that to try to find the camera control and try to fit your thumb in there and all that kind of stuff. So very, very nice case from Benks right here. It does have a little bit of a raise around the edge as well. So if you put your phone down flat, you don't have to worry about your screen hitting or anything like that. You can protect it that way as well, as long as you don't drop it on like rocks or something like that. But if you just put it down flat on a table, or maybe drop it on like a flat floor or something like that, it's going to protect your screen, and it's going to obviously protect your cameras as well. And for everybody asking, I do have a glass screen protector on here. So yes, it is compatible with screen protectors. I have the ESR screen protector on here, and as you can see, there's no issues with that screen protector or compatibility or anything like that. And it is MagSafe compatible. I'll just pop it off the phone real quick right here. So you can see it does have the full MagSafe magnet array. You have your round one right here, and you have your little alignment stem down there. Not all cases have that. OtterBox this year on the Defender and on their cases, they don't have the little stem, and I find that if you have a battery bank or something that's a little bit heavier, it doesn't want to stay on the case. That's not an issue here. It works with battery banks, all that kind of stuff without a problem. So very nice case. Thank you, Benks, for sending this over. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.